Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to change cinematics music volume in Indiana Jones The Great Circle. So as you guys see, I'm already in the main menu. I'm gonna head over to the options, head over to the audio tab, then scroll down to the cinematics music volume. To increase the volume, just left click on the right button. To silent the cinematic music volume, just left click on the left button. Make sure to press escape to apply this setting, and that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.